In today's video, I'm gonna share top 3 audio settings you should use in your CapCut video using your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Enhance Voice, Reduce Noise, Isolate Voice. First, open up the CapCut project on your iPhone. Then select the audio, the clip. Next, slide right to left to find the Enhance Voice option. Then tap on it. If it asks for the permission, tap Allow. Otherwise, avoid it. Now simply toggle it on. Now adjust the slider to 100. Then wait for a while. And there you have it. Now tap on the check mark. After that, tap Isolate Voice next to Enhance Voice. Then select Keep Voice, which is best for removing background songs. Then tap check mark again. Next, slide right to left to find the Reduce Noise option. Tap on it. Now make sure to toggle it on. And then tap on the check mark. Number 2. Beats. Open up the CapCut project on your iPhone. Then select the audio. Next, slide right to left to find the Beats option. Then tap on it. Next, toggle on the Auto Generate. CapCut will add beats automatically. If you want full control, tap Add Beat. Play your song and tap the Add Beat button whenever you hear a beat. After adding beat, tap the check mark. Now play and hear. Number 3. Fade in and fade out. Open up the CapCut project on your iPhone. Then select the audio. Now, if you look at the bottom, you will find the option called Fade. Tap on it. Here, you will see 2 options, like Fade in and Fade out. Move the Fade in slider to the right. This makes your video start smoothly with a soft transition. Move the Fade out slider to the left. This makes your video end smoothly with a soft closing fade. Play the video to check the fade effect. And that's all. These are the top 3 audio settings you should use in your CapCut video using your iPhone. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for tuning in.